Now that we have our lion facts, we are going to write a paragraph in a Word document on the computer. So you're going to first go and open Word. Then you're going to press on Word document. Then with Word document pulled up, you're going to come over here and change your font. You can do whatever font you want. I'm going to put mine in Times New Roman. And then you can make it however big or small you want. I'm going to make mine 18. Then I'm going to title my paragraph Lions. Then I'm going to press Enter twice so then I can start my paragraph. One of my facts said lions are the second largest cat. And then I'm just going to write 2 more facts, and then when I finish my facts, then I finished my paragraph.